And today we will start exercise number 1.5 from lesson number 1. This exercise is about the Roman numerals and Hindu Arabic numerals. Students in class 4, we learned the 7 basic Roman numerals I, V, X, L, C, D and M. We can recap the values of these Roman numerals in Hindu Arabic numbers or numerals. This is a table where I have shown you the different values of different symbols. That is, for I, in Hindu Arabic number, this value is 1. For V, the values of V in Hindu Arabic number is 5. This is X. We all know that in Hindu Arabic number, this value is equal to 10. Here is L, whose value in Hindu Arabic numerals 50. And similarly, C is the Roman numerals and its value is 100. D is the Roman numerals and its value is 500. M is the last numerals, Roman numerals, whose values is 1000. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are the basic numerals used by Roman. Now we will learn some rules regarding Roman numbers or Roman numerals and Hindu Arabic numerals. First rule is X. When written to the left of L or C, it is subtracted from that numeral. That means if you write X on the left side of L, here is an example. In this case, X is written on the left side of L. In that case, according to this rule, 50 minus 10, that is L the value 50. From this, we have to subtract 10 because we know the value of X is 10. So ultimate result is 40. Similarly, if X is written on the left side of C, then what will be the value in Hindu Arabic number? Now you know C equal to 100. When it is written on the left side, so it will be subtracted 10 from 100 and the result is 90. Rule number B, X when written to the right of L or C. This was on the left side. Now it is, if we write the X on the right side of L or C, it is added to that numerals. That means in that case, the values of X is to be added to the values of L. For example, L, then written X is written on the right side. So you can write 50 plus 10 equal to 60. Similarly, L, X, X, that is 50, the value of L is 50 and 10 plus 10, 10 plus 10, the result is 70. Similarly, L, X is written 3 times on the right side of L. So L is 50, then 10 plus 10 plus 10 equal to 80. 50 plus 10, 60, 60 plus 10, 70, 70 plus 10, 80. So 80 is the result. Number C, I and X can be repeated a maximum of 3 times. That means you have seen that when class 3, in the board of class 3, it is written 1, 2, 3. That means 3 times I can be repeated only. And similarly X also can be repeated a maximum of 3 times. That means I and X को हम लोग 3 बार maximum 3 times repeat कर सकता है, उससे ज्यादा नहीं है. Number D, I is subtracted from V and X only. I दूसरा किसी numeral से सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं कर पाओगे, ओनली 5 से I and X से. Okay, that means I is subtracted from V and X only, that is 5 and 10 से. E number V and L are never subtracted. That means from any number you cannot subtract V and L. Okay. F number rule, X is subtracted from L and C only. That means you can subtract X only from L and C. Last rule, V and L are never repeated. V and L are never repeated. Okay, that means V and L cannot be repeated. It can be written only one time. Am I correct? Am I clear? D, E, F, G. Again I will explain. I is subtracted from V and X only. That means I can be subtracted only from V and X. V and L are never subtracted. V and L cannot be subtracted from any numerals. Again, F number, X is subtracted from L and C only. And finally, V and L are never repeated. That means V and L, we cannot repeat these two numerals. Okay, student? Now, this is your homework. Write and learn all the rules from beginning from A, B, C, D, E, F, G for the next class, where I will start the main exercise 1.5. Before starting the rules, reading rules, you must recap the different values of Roman numerals and Hindu Arabic numbers. Okay, student? Thank you.